Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message not sending on iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys simply tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. And after that guys simply go back and tap on VPN, and you have to make sure that there is not connected any VPN. If there is an connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect it, and after that go back, scroll down and then tap on journal and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. Now after that guys simply tap on iPhone storage, scroll down and here tap on WhatsApp, tap on offload, and after that guys offload the app and reinstall it again. Now after that guys simply open App Store and tap on search and search for WhatsApp. So guys, after this you have to just simply update your app from here. So guys, after updating your device you have to just simply restart your device for one time, and after that guys hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.